Hi students, today we are going to discuss exercise 3.2. So I have written the questions one by one on the board. First of all, we are going to think about the first question. See the question, find x in each of the following. Find x in each of the following. There are two questions I have written here, 1 and 2. 1, 2. So we will discuss the first question. You can see here a triangle, a polygon of three sides and its exterior angles. Exterior angles here x 125, 125. We know that one sum of the exterior angles of any polygon that is equal to 360 degree. So what can we do? How can we do this problem? So what shall we do? We will see here exterior angles. So that is equal to x plus 125 degree plus 125 degree, that is equal to 360 degree. And you can find out x plus 125 plus 125, 250, that is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x equal to 360 minus 250 degree. That is the answer. Okay. Now same purpose we can do here. For second question, you have to do, you know that one here one of the exterior angle is given. This is also given. You know, if you see this symbol, what does it mean? It means it is 90 degree. Understand? And this is 70 degree is another exterior angle. This x you want to find out, and this is not given also. So that we know already that one. This is the interior angle of that polygon. Interior angle of this polygon, that is 90 degree. Okay. Then how to find out the exterior angle? This is a linear pair. How will you get the linear pairs? If 180 minus this angle will be this angle. So we are getting this is also 90 degree. Okay. So with the help of this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 70 degree, this is x. So x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70, that is equal to 360 degree. Then we can find out the value of x also. So these two questions are very easy. These two questions are related to sum of the exterior angles of a polygon equal to 180 degree. This is 360 degree. This is triangle polygon. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sided pentagon. For every polygon, sum of the exterior angles will be always equal to 360 degree. That concept we used here. Okay. Now we are moving to the second question. We can read the question. Find the measures of each of exterior angles of a regular polygon. Find the measures of each of the exterior angles of a regular polygon. So in the case of a regular polygon, we should understand that each exterior angle should be equal and each interior angle also should be equal in the case of regular polygon. So our aim is to find out each of the exterior angles of a regular polygon of 9 sides. We should know one thing, that if the number of sides will be always equal to number of exterior angles and number of interior angles. In every polygon, number of sides should be equal to number of exterior angles or number of interior angles. So this given 9 sides. We will take the first question, 9 sides. We know the sum of the exterior angles equal to 360 degree, that we know. And number of sides will be given how much? 9. That already I said number of side equal to number of exterior angles. It means what is the number of exterior angles? Number of exterior angles, that is also equal to 9. Okay. So total angle, total sum of the exterior angle equal to 360 degree. Each number of exterior angles equal to 9. Therefore, how will you find each angle? Total, means sum of the exterior angles divided by number of exterior angles, that is equal to each of the exterior angle equal to 360 by 9, that is equal to 40 degree. Okay. So here you have to confirm one more thing, that number of sides will be always equal to number of exterior angles. Okay. Now we are moving into the third question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measures of an exterior angle is 24? It means there is a regular polygon and if the measure of any exterior angle, one exterior angle is given 24 degree. So total exterior angles we know 360 degree. Then we can find out the number of angles. That means sum of the exterior angles equal to 360 degree we know. Each angle is given 24 degree. The number of exterior angles, number how many exterior angles will be there? Total angle means sum of the exterior angles divided by each angle. 360 divided by 24, that we got 15. That is the number of exterior angles. Already we said that number of sides will be always equal to number of exterior angles. It means number of sides equal to 15. So it is a 15 sided polygon, regular polygon. Okay. Now we are moving to the fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of interior angles is 165 degree? That just now I discussed here. The question once again I will read. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Each of interior angles are given. I said that how to find out the exterior angle from interior angles. Here already I said it is a linear pair. It means an interior angle and an exterior angle makes a linear pair. From an exterior angle plus interior angle equal to 180 degree. It means, see, each of interior angles equal to 160 degrees. Therefore, each of exterior angle we can find out 180 minus 165. Once again, we can see here an interior angle plus an exterior angle should be always equal to 180 degree. That is a linear pair. So, from an interior angle, we can find out its exterior angle. So, each of interior angle equal to 165 degree. Therefore, each of exterior angle equal to 180 minus 165. That is equal to 15 degree. So, we are getting one exterior angle. And total angle, sum of the angles equal to 360 degree. 360 degree divided by each angle equal to, therefore, the number of exterior angles we are getting. From sum of the exterior angles, if you divide by each of the angle, we will get number. How many exterior angles are that we are getting? That should be equal to the number of sides. Number of exterior angles should be always equal to number of sides. Okay. So once again, sum of the exterior angle equal to 360 degree. Number of exterior angles equal to 360 divided by 15 degree. That is equal to 24. 24 exterior angles are there. 24. It means how many sides? 24 sides are there. Okay. That is also finished. Now we are moving into the fifth question. We can read the question here. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measures of each exterior angle is 22 degree? Each exterior angle 22 degree. Okay. Is it possible like that polygon? So that we are going to check. Now, sum of the exterior angle equal to 360 degree. And number of exterior angles equal to 360 divided by 22. Means, so we can find out how can we find out the number of exterior angles? Sum of the exterior angles divided by each of the exterior angle. Once again, number of exterior angles equal to sum of the exterior angles divided by each of the exterior angles. Sum of the exterior angles 360 degree and each of the exterior angles 22 degree. So we are unable to find out a counting number. Number should be always counting number. So that it is always it is a fractional form. So it is not possible. Okay. And next one, can it be interior angle? See here of this one, this 22 degree. Is there any chance for that 22 degree will be an interior angle? That also we understand that. For the help of interior angle, we can find exterior angle. How can you find out the exterior angle with the help of interior angle? 180 minus 22. That will be the exterior angle. So 158 we got as exterior angle. Then sum of the angles 360 divided by 158. Sum of the angle divided by each of the angle will be number of exterior angles. So 360 divided by 158, that is also not possible to get a counting number. So this 22 is not at all a chance for an exterior angle and 22 is not at all a chance for an interior angle too. Okay, these are the questions. And sixth question I give you as homework, you have to do. Okay.